Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you top 5 online websites for watching Thai, Japanese, Korean, Chinese content for free. On number 5, we have Kiss Asian, a fan favorite for years. Huge collection of Korean, Thai, Chinese, even Japanese dramas. Most episodes load fast with English subs already included. Number 4, we have DramaBust.tv. Clean interface, less ads than most free websites, and perfect for binge watching older K-dramas and Thai romance series. Number 3, we have Viki, official platform with high-quality subs. Free users get ads, but most popular dramas are available without paying. Number 2, we have Viu, amazing for Thai and Korean dramas, smooth streaming and subs are accurate, even on the free plan. And number 1, we have Vote Drama. This site updates episodes super fast, often within hours of release, with fresh subtitles ready to go. All of these work on mobile and PC, and comment below which one you're using tonight. I'll reply with more hidden sites. Keep subscribing and like the video. Peace.